Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Foil Cooking Bags is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, allowing you to create delicious, mess-free meals right in your oven or on the grill, making cleanup a breeze and opening up a world of culinary possibilities for busy home cooks and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Wallaby 30-count 1-gallon Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. Introducing the Wallaby 30-count, 1-gallon Mylar bags, your ultimate solution for long-term food storage. This bundle ensures your pantry staples stay fresh for years to come. Each bundle includes 30 durable 5mm Mylar bags, 30 high-capacity 400 cubic centimeters oxygen absorbers, and 30 identification labels. It's everything you need to protect your valuable food supplies. Engineered with an internal aluminum layer, these bags offer superior puncture resistance and create an airtight seal. This advanced design effectively keeps air and moisture out, preserving the freshness of your food. At 5mm thickness, our bags are designed to prevent light and air penetration, ensuring your food remains fresh. Trust them for emergency preparedness and everyday storage needs. Our oxygen absorbers are uniquely packaged in sets of 10 and sealed immediately after production. This ensures maximum potency and shelf life, safeguarding your stored food effectively. Please note, these bags may not shrink like vacuum-sealed bags. The absorbers remove oxygen, not all air, so a portion of the air will remain after use. What we like? This option offers a generous 1-gallon capacity, perfect for storing larger quantities of dry goods like flour, sugar, or rice. It also comes bundled with oxygen absorbers, ensuring your food stays fresh. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for long-term pantry storage or emergency preparedness, this is a solid choice. What people say? Not sure. But I can't wait to use these. They feel very durable. Great quality. The product is exactly how it was advertised. This is perfect for beginners who are storing food. These Mylar bags are great for long-term storage. Number 4. Wallaby Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. Design your own ready-to-eat survival meals with these Emery bags. Avoid unhealthy additives and high costs by creating your own personalized food kits. These quality Mylar bags are engineered to safely withstand boiling hot water. Simply open, add boiling water, and cook your dry goods or reconstituted meals. Fill them with lightweight dry foods like oatmeal, pasta, or soup mixes. Add boiling water to cook your meal right in the bag when you reach your campsite. An internal aluminum layer provides superior durability and puncture resistance. This BPA-free, food-grade material locks out air and moisture to keep your food fresh. The heat-sealable zipper and included oxygen absorbers ensure an airtight seal. This provides long-term storage for your homemade survival meals. Note that these absorbers remove oxygen, not all air. While they significantly reduce air volume, the bags may not shrink like vacuum-sealed bags. What we like? Designed for creating your own ready-to-eat meals, these bags are uniquely capable of withstanding boiling water for easy reconstitution. The stand-up zipper design makes them convenient for on-the-go use. If you're a backpacker or someone who wants to prepare personalized survival meals, these are ideal for you. What people say? The bags are sturdy and don't tear easily. Food cooks evenly and doesn't stick to the bag. Easy to clean up after cooking. Number 3. Kitchen Drawer Organizer 9-in-1. Introducing a versatile organizer designed to bring order to your kitchen drawers. It neatly stores various sizes of storage bags, foil, and wraps, helping you maintain a clutter-free space. This organizer offers flexible placement options. You can conveniently store it in a drawer or mount it on the wall, adapting perfectly to your kitchen layout and needs. Crafted from high-quality, sustainable bamboo, this organizer not only enhances your kitchen's aesthetic with its elegant look but is also built for durability and environmental consciousness. Designed for your convenience, restocking your bags is a breeze. Its user-friendly design makes it a seamless addition to your everyday kitchen tasks. Keep everything in its place with the included customizable labels. Easily identify and access the specific bags you need, making your kitchen organization hassle-free. Before making your purchase, please ensure it fits your specific drawer dimensions. Check the provided measurements to guarantee a perfect fit for your kitchen. What we like? This product is not a storage bag, but an organizer for your kitchen. It's crafted from elegant and durable bamboo, designed to neatly store various sizes of plastic bags, foil, and wraps. If your priority is kitchen organization and reducing clutter, this organizer will bring sophistication and order to your drawers. What people say. It makes all those products so neat and handy. I put mine on the wall of the pantry. So it's using an otherwise overlooked space there, while clearing up some valuable real estate in another spot of the pantry. It is well made, looks nice and comes W labels. This dispenser is sturdy, has room for all the sizes of bags and fit in my drawer perfectly. Having 3 parts makes for flexibility in your drawer arrangement. Slide cutter seems to work fine even on difficult plastic wrap. And pretty to look at. Number 2. Wallaby 50-count 1-pint Mylar bags. Introducing the Wallaby 50-count 1-pint Mylar bags, your ultimate solution for long-term food storage. These bags are designed to keep your food fresh and protected for extended periods. Engineered with an added internal layer of aluminum, these pouches offer superior durability and puncture resistance. They effectively keep air and moisture out, ensuring your food remains fresh. The 1-pint size is ideal for storing a variety of items, from pantry staples like flour and sugar to freeze-dried foods and spices. It's the perfect size to store exactly what you need. With a thickness of 5.5 mm on each side, these bags prevent light and air penetration. They are engineered for strength, making them reliable for emergency preparedness and everyday use. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade, and safe materials, you can trust that your food is stored safely. These stand-up zipper bags are also heat-sealable for an airtight finish. This convenient 2-in-1 bundle includes 50 Mylar bags and 50 sticker labels. Easily organize and identify your stored food items with the included labels. What we like. The perfect size for smaller portions, this 1-pint gusseted bag is ideal for storing spices, tea, dried herbs, or single servings of freeze-dried foods. It includes labels for easy identification. If you need precise portion control for specialty items or want to organize small emergency supplies, this is the bag for you. What people say. Sturdy, when opened they stand on their own for easy filling, great size for things that you want a smaller bag of, and the bags have never failed us. This is a quality product. You get what you pay for, and Wallaby is exceptional, and they come in a nice variety of sizes and thickness. For grains the 15 mm is perfect, no poking through. High quality, thick Mylar storage bags are great for preppers looking to keep their food stored long term. I'm confident these will keep my stockpile protected from moisture, insects, or whatever. Number 1. Wallaby 50-count 2-quart Mylar bags. Introducing the Wallaby 50-count 2-quart Mylar bags, your ultimate solution for long-term food storage. These durable pouches offer maximum protection for your pantry staples and emergency supplies. This convenient bundle includes 50 Mylar bags and 50 sticker labels, perfect for storing items like flour, sugar, rice, and freeze-dried foods. Keep your ingredients fresh and organized with ease. Engineered with an internal aluminum layer, these bags provide superior durability and puncture resistance. They effectively keep air and moisture out, ensuring your food stays fresh and safe. With a 5 mm thickness on each side, these pouches prevent light and air penetration. They are engineered for strength and reliability, making them ideal for emergency preparedness. The 2-quart size is perfect for storing freeze-dried meals, rice, beans, and pasta. You can also use them to store emergency essentials like cash, matches, and first aid supplies. These bags are designed for long-term food storage and emergency preparedness. Trust them to keep your valuable supplies protected and fresh for years to come. What we like. This 2-quart bag offers a versatile storage solution, suitable for larger dry goods like rice and beans, as well as freeze-dried meals. It's also great for non-food emergency items like cash or first aid supplies. If you're looking for a reliable, medium-sized option for both food and essential storage, this is a great pick. What people say. These bags are a game-changer for cooking. They seal tightly and keep food moist and flavorful. I love how easy these bags make cleanup. Just toss the bag when you're done, and your pan is spotless. The foil material is durable and doesn't tear easily, even when handling heavier foods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.